Hey there, it's Amelia. In this video, we'll review AI-generated Amazon review summaries. These are AI highlights from the text of customer reviews. I noticed on some books, but it could be on any products, there is a new AI-generated summary text at the top of reviews, and this is based on customer reviews. Let me show you how I discovered it. And before I begin, if you find this video helpful, remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Let's get right to it. I happened to be randomly on some products on Amazon, and then I noticed that at the top of the reviews, there was this summary and it said it was AI generated. So what I did was, for this particular Dr. Seuss book, which has over 51,000 ratings, I clicked on the link for the reviews, and at the top, it says customers say, customers find the illustrations nice and real, yet very true and factual. They also see the book is wonderful for capturing memories and entertaining for children, and so forth. And below that, it says AI generated from the text of customer reviews. Even though people have mixed feelings about AI and there's pros and cons, in this case, this is really going to help with the marketing for your books and any products that you're selling on Amazon. Now, obviously, it's helpful if your reviews are positive, and it looks like it is pulling the positive verbiage from reviews and summarizing that. And not only does it include this summary at the top, you can select one of these topics to learn more. So for example, for this particular book, if you want to learn about the reading level, this says 512 customers mention reading level, and then it quotes the portion of the reviews that mention about the reading level. For example, for perfect book for all ages, a great book for all ages, etc. Well, let's look at some other products. This is not just for books. I was looking at this random calculator, which has over 7,000 ratings, and if you click on the ratings at the top, it also has a summary here. Customers like the quality and readability of the calculator, and so forth. And then it has all these different topics. So let's say you want to learn about the quality of this calculator. This says 143 customers mention quality, now has 122 positive and 21 negative. That's still a great summary and something that would be near impossible for any of us to calculate instantly based on all the reviews and ratings on Amazon. Let's look at a couple other products. How about these random note journals? This particular item only has 17 ratings, so let's see if it has the AI generated summary. Now this one does not. So I went ahead and checked my own books, and I started checking my children's books, and the ones that have over 20 or so ratings seem to have the AI generated summary. Now, I'm not 100% sure if 20 is the magic number. I know it's always helpful to have as many reviews as possible, at least 10, but 20 or 25 or more is always helpful. Well, this one has 25 ratings, and if I click on the link, it does have a brief summary at the top. Customers say the book is enjoyable to read for both children and adults. It has creative stories that kids enjoy. Customers also appreciate the recipe. I was thrilled when I saw this, and it totally picked up my mood after I recently noticed that someone had given me a 1-star with no commentary, which is near impossible to know why they gave this book a 1-star. I'm not upset because 78% of my reviews have a 5-star rating. Now it also has 3 different categories here: fun to read, creative story, and great recipe. Let's click creative story, and this says 3 customers mentioned creative story, 3 positive, 0 negative. Such a wonderful story, my kids love it, and so forth. And then if you want to read the full review, you would click read more, and then it goes to that particular review. This is an excellent new feature on Amazon. Let's look at another example. And in this case, I'm looking at one of my coloring books, which only has 5 reviews. As I mentioned, if your book doesn't have enough reviews, it seems that it doesn't have enough data and information to calculate the AI generated summary. So if I click on the link for the 5 ratings, I do not see the AI generated summary. So I've moved over to the series page for my children's books, and each of my picture books do have over 20. Silly Willy Apple Cake has 28. So let's take a look to see if this one has an AI generated summary. If I click where it says see customer reviews at the bottom here, it does have an AI generated summary. This one says customers enjoy the simple, cute story and sweet illustrations of Silly Willy Apple Cake. They find the rhyming game fun and easy to follow. Excellent summary. I couldn't have written it better myself. Let's just click on one topic and see. So for fun stories, it says 9 customers mention fun story, 9 positive, 0 negative. The illustrations are very good and story is simple and so forth. Such a wonderful story. Great book for back to school night. Thank you, Amazon. Thank you, Amazon KDP, for having these features. So I would recommend that you check your books and any other products that you're selling on Amazon. And if you have enough reviews, look at the top of the reviews and look for the AI generated summary. And this is another way you can promote your book, take a screenshot, or even do a video and share the AI generated summary in your post to market your books and other products. I also wanted to mention that if you don't see AI generated summaries for your product, they might not be rolled out yet for your country, so keep checking. There also might be other reasons why the AI summaries don't show for your product, including the number of reviews, if your reviews have commentary, if your reviews are from verified purchases, and so forth. So how can these AI generated summaries on Amazon help customers purchase products, including yours, and what are the pros and cons? The AI summaries can make it easier for customers to quickly review a product by reviewing the 1-paragraph summary instead of reading through dozens and dozens of customer reviews, which in turn saves time. The summaries also appear to point out more of the positives of the product, focusing less on the negatives. On the downside, AI-generated reviews may not allow customers to see the entire picture for a product. Also, it's not known how accurate the summaries are, but from what I've seen, the AI summaries do in fact capture the gist of reviews. It will be interesting to see how the AI-generated review summaries will change the online shopping experience. Hopefully, it will have a positive influence on customer shopping and satisfaction. What do you think about the AI-generated summaries for Amazon products? Leave me a comment or a question and let me know if you've noticed them, if you find them helpful, and if you have any concerns. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and smash the like button and remember to subscribe so you don't miss any new videos. I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.